That is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video we are doing another mukbang. So you know I'm excited because I love to eat. We are eating chicken feet and pig feet in Souse. So if you guys would like to join me for dinner today, then please grab your plates and let's get right into it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, I'm excited. I actually really love to eat chicken feet like this. I never tried pig feet like this, but I definitely love to eat chicken feet like this. So I have some napkins here, and I also have a bowl that I'm gonna be putting the bones into. If you guys are cringing because you guys don't like chicken feet or pig feet, then I don't know what to tell you, but I've been eating chicken feet and pig feet, yeah. I've been eating chicken feet and pig feet since I was like really little. Like my grandma used to make it. Not like this though. My grandma used to make it like in a Dominican type of her kind of seasoning. So I've only tried it like this like a couple years ago from my boyfriend's family. But anyway, I'm actually gonna try some cucumbers. Also, this is a little bit spicy. It's not too spicy, so I should probably grab my water bottle. It's spicy, but I could take it. Have you guys never seen chicken feet, which I'm sure you have. Also, if you don't like the close-ups of chicken feet or whatever, put it out of the video now because I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that. That's really so good. Honestly, I feel like chicken feet are like it's like a snack type of thing. Do you guys like chicken feet? Do you guys eat chicken feet? Is it like, I think it's more of like a Caribbean kind of thing. I could be wrong, but I think it is more of like a Caribbean type kind of thing. So how I eat my chicken feet is I eat like this first and then I eat the rest after. I never actually go and bite it like that. I don't know why I did that. I did that for the video, but I really don't eat it like that. Also, I know it's kind of weird. Like, I really like the texture of chicken feet. Like, I don't know if that's weird or not. Well, some people think that just eating chicken feet is weird, so, well, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say about that. I remember one time I was eating chicken feet though, and I bit like all the other ones except for the middle one. And I think I was showing my cousins it. And I was trying to be a little badass, but I was actually older when that was. It was funny. I know, I just thought about that. It's gonna be the longest mukbang just for one chicken foot. I think my grandma puts chicken foot in like soups and stuff. I'm almost pretty sure actually. She never just makes chicken feet. But like my boyfriend on the other hand, he's had it just like as like a regular like snack type of thing. Not me. I've had it like in my food. And it wasn't always like a lot, so I used to be like, can you please save the chicken foot for me? Like, I love chicken feet. It's so good. And I love spicy stuff, by the way, but not too spicy. Like, them stupid wings at Buffalo Wild Wings are too spicy. You guys see me do like that challenge. I couldn't help it, but I had to have milk. Not milk, I had ice cream like right away. I hate that spicy because it's like, I like spicy when it's like flavorful. You know, like this is flavorful. I could eat that. But when it's not flavorful, it's like, oh my God, you're just burning my mouth at this point. For what? I want a cucumber again. I don't need a whole pepper either. Y'all, if you've never had chicken feet, the texture is kind of like rubbery, and it's not like anything I've ever like, it's not like anything else that I've eaten before. I don't know what else to compare it to truly. It's just chicken feet. So, but I definitely, if you haven't had it, I definitely recommend you trying it for sure. I recently had duck feet. I know that's kind of like, whoa, you don't really hear that one, but it's kind of just, it's really similar to chicken feet. It's like almost identical. It's also really hard to eat this and talk. Do you guys think that I should actually incorporate like talking about specific topics along with my mukbangs? Or do you think that I should kind of like just go with the flow and talk about whatever comes to my mind, kind of like how I do now? Do you think I should do that, or like what I've been doing, or should I like start incorporating you guys' like comments about a certain topic or something? This is fine, you know, like just kind of randomly going with the flow, but sometimes I don't really know what to say. And I feel like eventually I'm gonna get to the point like I really don't know what to say because I've done a lot of mukbangs and stuff. So yeah, just let me know. Do you guys prefer lime? Oh God, please don't squirt my eye. Somehow I always manage to do that. Do you guys prefer, oh actually I'm going for the pig feet now, so ooh. Oh, it's just gonna drip. It's just gonna drip. I'm gonna have to just clean it up. But here's a close-up of that. This is another thing, I've never just randomly eaten it like this. I've had like a meal with it. Like my grandma makes it like some, it's like tomato sauce basically. But anyways, what I was saying was, it's honestly like the same texture, just a different taste. That is so good. I don't even know what I was saying. I lost it. That is so good. Are you guys enjoying my back-to-back uploads? I sure am. It's a lot of work. So it's kind of like Vlogmas in January. It's a lot of work. But it's worth it. Like, this is my job. Like, what the hell? I'm good. I'm good on grinding. Like, I can grind at any moment. And it's definitely grind season. So I hope you guys are enjoying my uploads. I'm taking video suggestions. I'm taking video suggestions as well. So let me know. Also, I think this is like really healthy. It tastes really healthy. I'm probably seeing all the greens and colorfulness. That's healthy. I've once heard that a lot of color in your food is ideal. So, I'm killing it. Because all I had was pizza. That's not ideal. You know, food is so good. You kind of have to just take a moment and be like, yo, I'm just happy that food is a thing. I also want to thank you guys for congratulating me on, you know, having my own space and stuff and the move. I processed, but at the same time, there's just so much going on that I still haven't processed fully. Like, I've processed, but it's like, you know, it just feels a little bit like weird because it happened like so fast for me. But then again, it kind of didn't. Yeah, thank you guys. Honestly, you guys are so supportive all the time, and I couldn't be more grateful for all the support that I get from you guys. What do you guys think of my mukbang videos? Are you guys enjoying them? The next holiday is Valentine's Day. Do people even consider that a holiday? Or is it just like a thing, like I don't know. It's so hard after like December coming to January where there's like absolutely no holidays. It's always so like hard to do that, you know, because everybody in December is so joyful. It's like the holidays and, you know, Christmas time. Everybody's like joyful. You see a bunch of Christmas lights, and Christmas lights, something within just Christmas lights is just like all cheerful and shit, you know, like it's like all cheerful. And then comes January and just rips it all away from us. Like, excuse me, what are you doing? I don't have a drought because not a lot of people celebrate Valentine's Day. It's not really a thing like that. I think the next one is like Easter. But I don't feel like a lot of people celebrate Easter either. My family always did since I was little. Now, as I've gotten older, they don't. Easter was kind of like Christmas part 2 in like a different way. But now it's like nothing really. So if not Easter, then it's July 4th, which a lot of people aren't celebrating. Oh, so it's after Easter, it's Juneteenth, which everybody started celebrating really last year, including myself. Actually, I didn't celebrate. I watched Versus, and that was like my celebration. And it was fireworks outside and everything. That was nice. I'm pretty sure this year people are gonna have like actual plans for that holiday. And we're gonna ban July 4th again. For me, July 4th is never banned though. Not as far as like, it's banned as far as like celebrating America's independence, but it's my godmom's birthday, so yeah, it's to be celebrated anyway. On this side of town anyway. Ow, I just bit my cheek. Something that's a little sad. It's not to make this video sad or anything, but like nobody really thinks about seeing Christmas trees outside on the floor, like in the trash. I just keep it up all year round or something. That is sad. Or maybe not for some people, aka the Grinches of the world. But for me, it's sad. Actually, you're going lockdown again. Is any other states on lockdown? I know California is. What about everywhere else? Because I feel like some places are on lockdown, but then again, that was happening before anyway. If places go back into lockdown, is that considered the second wave? And does that mean we're almost done with this stupid thing? If not, we're just considered the second wave. Because I feel like it's happened already. Random thing I do is like I actually eat lime with a lot of my food. Like I actually just like sprinkle it on top of a lot of my food. So good. I know this is lemon, but I'm talking about lime. I don't really use lemon for a lot of things, but lime is lime, okay? Lime is that thing. Also, if I have lipstick everywhere, don't worry about it. Let me know what company does like the neon lights and like any creation that you want, because I really want to get that for my studio. So let me know what companies are doing that, or which company has like durable lasting ones, because I'm looking to get it for my studio. So just let me know in the comments down below. Okay. Question of the day. What is your favorite cuisine and why? I guess I should answer first. I don't have one. I love all cuisines. I love food, so honestly don't have one. But if I had to narrow it down to a couple of them, I love Mexican food. I love Spanish food. I love Trinidadian food. Is seafood considered a cuisine? Because if it is, then it's just seafood. Is that considered a cuisine? Like, I don't matter how it's seasoned or anything, like just seafood. Seafood in any way. I like Italian. I love Italian actually. I love Greek too. I know it's not random. I love Vietnamese. Oh my god, I love Filipino food too. It's so good. So that is all I'm gonna do for right now. I did dig in a little bit more, but I'm just about done, and I'm definitely gonna be picking at this for the next couple of hours. That's a good thing about a quick food like this. You can kind of go back and pick at it just every now and then, instead of having a whole meal like every now and then, you know what I mean? Yeah, I hope you guys liked this mukbang. If you guys were eating with me, I hope you guys ate your dinner or lunch or whatever, had a good snack or something. If you guys ate anything during this video, let me know in the comments down below, what did you eat while you were watching this video? Also, let me know if you like chicken feet, or if you think it's weird, or pig feet, if you like them, or you think it's weird. I personally love them, duh. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this. I just spit. Thank you guys for watching this mukbang. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want me to eat and next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!